Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable low latency mode on the JBL Tune Flex. First of all, select your earbuds from the JBL headphones application and then scroll down until you find the feature called Smart Audio and Video. To turn on the low latency mode, you have to turn to the video mode. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see right now, we successfully switched to the video mode, and when you click on the information icon and move your finger to the left, you will find that the video mode it's improving the lip sync performance. So that's the low latency mode, and if you want to get better audio quality, you have to switch to the audio mode. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.